Hey guys, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, Happy New Year's. Welcome back to my channel. I finally got a new video out for you guys after not having no software, no nothing to edit my videos. I'm so happy I'm dropping this tutorial. So I recorded this video in December and it was so fire, y'all. I was getting my client ready for her graduation. He was going for more of like a dark brown smoky eye, and that's what we achieved. So I started off by molding her eyebrows with the Got To Be Glue gel, and then to fill in her eyebrows, I took my Morphe Java pencil. That's usually the pencil I use for all my clients, honestly, except for like my real lighter skin clients. So to start the eyeshadow process, I did take a deeper concealer. That's usually what I use for a base when it comes to doing really dark brown eyeshadow. It makes the color pop out even more, especially with this being so close to our skin complexion. It's kind of hard for it to show up on the skin, but having the concealer do help as a very good base. So I took the coffee shop palette to set the eyeshadow. As soon as you use cream, guys, you have to set it with some kind of shadow so the cream won't move. And then I applied her liner. I used the Wet n Wild eyeliner. Y'all, the eyes are so easy. That is literally it. And then we get started on the skin. So if I could remember, guys, the foundation I took was NARS Macau and Murray. So her face is a little bit more tannish than her neck and chest. So I tried to match that. That's why it's a little lighter, but everything comes together at the end. So to highlight, guys, I took the Born This Way cookie and butterscotch. What I did, I warmed up the concealer on the back of my hand and then took it with my Real Technique brush. It's way easier and I used less product. And off camera, I had brightened it up a little bit, I think with natural beige from Born This Way. So now I'm setting her under eye with the Makeup Revolution Banana. Yeah, the Makeup Revolution Banana setting powder. I love this powder so much. To start bronzing up her face, I took the Morphe 8A face palette. I don't know if they sell this palette anymore, but I did get mine from Ulta. I went back to go look if I can like re-up on it and it wasn't there. I think they sell it online, so I would suggest you guys check online for it. The bronzer and the blush in this palette is amazing. I love it. Alrighty guys, to add a little blush to her face, I did take this Reveal's eyeshadow powder that I'm using. I wanted to give her more like a warm tone type of blush, and it was so cute. So I did her under eye, and then I started baking with her face with the Makeup Revolution powder, but industry translucent. Alrighty guys, now I'm starting with the lips. I'm taking my brown pencil from Wet n Wild, the Simmer Brown liner. And then I think the nude glosses I use, if I'm not mistaken, the NYX Fortune Cookie and the Wet n Wild Nudie, not Nudie Patootie, Kachu Bear Naked. I think that one in a more like a light pink gloss on top, y'all. I'm trying my best to remember, but I think that's what I use. If it's not, that's usually what I use for the lips. And yeah.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money, how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much.
Now I'm pressing the powder in her skin, guys, instead of sweeping it away. Like I told you guys, you sweep the baking powder, you will have flashback. So taking the face powder close to your skin shade and pressing the baking powder in your skin does it all the time for me. Yeah, she looks so good, y'all. Like when I tell you guys, I couldn't wait to drop this video, and then that happened. It was irritating. But yeah, so I'm putting some last minute touches to her face and still going under the eyes, trying to bronze it up a little bit. So now I'm highlighting her face with the Fenty Diamond Balm. This one was how many carats? I do not know the gold one name. And they've discontinued the gold one too, so I don't know, guys. But I love these two together. Gives a perfect glow and sparkle to the face. And yeah, guys, I took my Morphe gold spray, and then I took Makeup Revolution in my one size spray to spray her face. Usually the sprays I use for every skin type, it depends. If my clients are oily, I use a different spray. Drier skin, I use something else. But y'all, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just fixing up her hair because she looked too good. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and I will be dropping another video. Bye, y'all.
Pay your rent, I'll pay for it. You know you ain't gotta stay for it.